Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. So I actually got here yesterday and I haven't walked around the city. So basically, this video I want to show you guys. I want to go out and try some Ethiopian shawarma. So a friend of mine actually walked with me the other side, the road going the other side, and he showed me where I can actually get some awesome good shawarma, some Ethiopian shawarma. So first, what you need to do, we are going out to look for a cyber cafe because while traveling I actually broke my laptop screen, so it's not working. So I have to go look for a cyber cafe so that I can transfer some footages to my hard disk, so that my memory card can have the space. So basically we're going out to look for some Ethiopian shawarma. So let's go. I actually got this hostel. It's actually in the middle of Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. You actually saw it in one of the videos I actually did back then. So yeah, if this is your first time here, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know what you think about my all Ethiopian series. So let's go. This is a beautiful, awesome hostel I actually got here. So yeah, let's just hope I really won't get into trouble, with locals, because I'm walking around, with my camera. So yeah, let's go out.
Many hours later.
Hi, how are you?
Hi.
English?
Yeah.
Yeah, how much is shawarma?
Normal 150, special 100.
Normal 100.
150.
150.
Yeah, 50.
And then there's for?
Special 200. Normal?
Yeah, 150, okay?
حاطه جوا شوفوا
100 normal.
جوا كان حاطينها مشوا من نفسه بس دجاج مميت لا دجاج مميت هذا احسن
So guys, this is what happened. I know I actually made the intro of this video very early in the morning. There is something that actually happened, and I came here and I found that the shawarma place wasn't open. So I was like, I'll continue with the video later. So now I'm here. Let me check. Now I'm actually here. I came and got this shawarma here, and it's 150 birr. That's like how much? No, you do not 150. It's yes, 150 birr. So yeah, so wanna try this shawarma. Then yep. No, like this, how much is like this?
190 takeaway, 100.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Normal. Here or to go?
Sorry?
Here or to go?
Here. It's very hot.
Camera?
Yeah.
Where are you from, brother?
Sorry?
Where are you from?
I'm from Kenya. How much is this? 200. One like this. A piece or one stick 200.
Price is
Oh, okay.
Aiden.
Edwin. Enter.
A lot of people come here. It's a very busy place during the evening hours, but yeah.
يعني في واحد من يقول جاب شوي نادي شوف شكرا يا اخوي لا جاب لنا
كمان عند ماما
6000
دهنا مشن دهنا كم كيلو؟ 26 ما؟ يعني ثلث 14 واحد ثلث منه معناته 7 و7 14 7 إذا بيطلعوا 27 خلينا نتلبس شوي
Here, this for you. Yeah, cool. Rams and some fries. Wow. Yep. It comes with some sauce. Very cool. I never knew shawarmas. Just so nice. Some sauce. And those two. Let's see how it looks. Beautiful. See how good it looks. Like I was saying, guys, Ethiopia has got one of the best, shawarmas around. So if you're Ethiopian, come check this place out. Last bite. Thank you so much. It was good. Thank you, thank you.